Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. In this video today we will create such kind of object with the help of various commands available in the Fusion 360. Here I go to the new design. From here I select this create sketch. Now I am selecting a plane. Let's say I select this plane. Now I will create a 20 mm circle. After creating this 20 mm circle, again I select this circle and now I will create a 30 mm circle. Now I finish the sketch. After finishing the sketch, again I go to this create sketch section. Now I will select this plane. From here I will select this arc, 3-point arc, and will create a arc this way. Now I finish this sketch. After finishing this sketch, go to home position. Now as you can see, we have already created a profile and another path. So from here I select the sweep command. After selecting the sweep command, here I will provide the profile. Then it will ask about the path. So here I am selecting the path. As you know that if we want to create a half of this one, so here I will provide the distance is 0.5. As I provide the 0.5, it will create such kind of object. Now I press OK. So as you can see, it will create such kind of object. After creating this object, now go to create sketch. Select the face. Here I am selecting this face. After selecting this face, from here I will select the circle command and I will create a circle of, let's say, 45 and press OK. Now finish the sketch. Just extrude this profile up to 10 mm. After that, now just go to create sketch. Select this face. After selecting this face, again create a circle of 55 mm. Now finish the sketch, extrude it up to 10 mm. After extruding it, now we will provide some holes in this particular faces. So here I am selecting this one. Go to create sketch, select the circle command. Here I am creating a circle of 5 mm. Press enter. Now finish the sketch. Home position. Select this one. From here, select this circle. Extrude it in negative side. As you extrude it, it will create a hole, as you can see over here. Okay, after creating this hole, just provide the extrude up to -10 only, so that it will create a throughout hole, but do not affect this particular surface. After that, from here, select this pattern command, select this circular pattern. From here, you can select this particular object, then it will ask about the axis. From here, you can select this particular axis. So it will create 6 holes, as you can see on this particular surface. After that, just select this particular surface, create a sketch. Now again create a hole of 5 mm on this particular surface. Let's here I am creating 5 mm circle. Now finish the sketch. After finishing the sketch, just go to home position again, extrude this one again in the negative side, like this, and press OK. So as you can see, you have created a such kind of feature. Now select pattern command from here, circular pattern. It will ask to us about the axis, but we have no axis right now. For that, first we have to create an axis. So go to construct. From here select this axis through cylinder, cone or torus. So as I select this, it will ask about the face. So here I am selecting this face. So as you can see, it will create a axis. After this, press OK. Select again from here pattern, circular pattern. Provide the object. Yes. After that, axis. So if I provide this axis, it will create and 6 holes. From here you can change the number of holes. Then you press OK. Now go to home position. As you can see, you have already created such kind of object. From here you can provide the appearance to this particular object. So let's say we want to provide the metal, let's say steel. It will look like steel component. So with the help of extrude command, sweep command, pattern command, appearance and construct, we have created such kind of object. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.